Okay guys, I want to show you guys a quick method that I do. She started her locks with me a little over a month ago, and right now I am grooming her locks. She has a lot of loose hair around the body of the lock, so what I would do is take the loose hair and wrap it around. Make sure the hair is wet, and make sure you get your Mama Francois lock gel, and that's what I would use on all of my clients. And I'm going to show you one more time. I separate the hair at the root. Okay, make sure you spritz water, take the loose hair, okay, wrap it around. So this is called the training method for the locks, so the lock will know to keep itself together. So we're going to do this every single time she comes, and over time her locks will stick together. All right, here are the results.